What do you need to prepare for an online course? For students, you need a laptop or desktop computer, or a tablet PC, mobile phone, as well as a headphone, and a notebook so that you can write down something important. For teachers, besides the things that students have, you also need a microphone, a camera, and an encoder. Due to the pandemic, gathering is not allowed, and to avoid infection, people should keep social distancing. As the campus shut down, the online courses come. And you may think, can everyone get benefit from online courses? The answer maybe is not. Since April, an American teacher posted on the Facebook. He said he saw a boy with his Chromebook open sitting on the sidewalk to do his homework by using the free subway network for some special reason and cannot surf the internet home. There are many students who are in backward areas. They have no internet or computers to have class. And how to improve this situation effectively? If the school can be reopened or partially opened, and adopt a model of the small class and the teacher-student segregation, which can let the students who have no good conditions to have online class to come back to campus again. And how this model can be achieved? To start live teaching, we need a camera and a microphone and a video encoder. One end is connected to the camera through HDMI, and one end is connected to the internet through SMA wire. The classroom camera content can be encoded into IP stream real-time transmission to the Internet TV Broadcast platform to ensure that students can watch the classroom content anywhere. Students can watch the video online through the internet on land. And the live encoder can be used not only in the intranet, but also in the extranet. The school can let the students decide whether to return to classroom according to their own situation. The real-time teaching of the teacher can be uploaded to the internet cloud, and the students can watch it through their mobile phones at home. Or teachers can live in separate classrooms only through the extranet. Students can still eat more than 1 meter away, each in the classroom or dormitory, to watch the broadcast, so that both teachers and students are not invited. While ensuring the quality of online teaching, this way of the broadcast, in fact, is tantamount to online